So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So this is the video number 4 of the subject theory of computation or formal language and automata theory. I have already completed 3 video of this and the link for the videos or the playlist is given to you in the description. You can check it out. So let us start today's topic. What is automata? Automata is basically a machine or a mathematical model that evaluates whether a language is a part of a string or not. What does it mean? Let me just पहले explain you. For example, you can check this. I have told you if a string contain binary language, then it will contain the alphabet either 0 or 1. Then I have told you if the length of the string is 0, that means it will contain a null string. If the length of the string is 1, it will contain either 0 or 1. If the language length of the string is 2, that it will contain 00, 01, 10, 11. सिमिलरली अगर स्ट्रिंग की लैंग्वेज की जो हमारी लेंथ है वो 3 है, इट विल कंटेन स्ट्रिंग 000, 001 एंड दैट्स ऑल. So what actually automata is? Automata means if I will combine this all string, means the string with length 1, length 2, length 3, I will denote using the symbol the sigma star and it is called clean closure. It will contain all the string. Now suppose I will write some string. For example, you can see here the string is sigma 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. Let's say I have one string which is 000 so I want to check whether that string is present here or not. So to check that, either what you can do, you can search all string one by one, and the second method is to create a model or a machine which automatically check whether the language which you have, whether the string is a part of this language or not. Means जो आप स्ट्रिंग चेक करने वाले हैं, जो आप स्ट्रिंग चेक करना चाहते हैं, अगर वो इसमें प्रेजेंट है या नहीं है, इसको चेक करने के लिए फर्स्ट यू कैन डू इज मैन्युअली चेक वन बाय वन, हेयर हेयर हेयर, एंड द सेकंड स्टेप इज दैट यू कैन चेक यूजिंग अ मॉडल और अ मैथमेटिकल मॉडल. You can evaluate, and that mathematical model which will check whether the string you want to see is present here in this language or not is the automata. I hope the meaning of the word automata is clear to you. If you want notes, you can comment it. So automata are machine or model that help us understand how computer and other system process information. Basically how system check whether the string is the part of that language or not. I hope this video is helpful for you and you have got to know the meaning of the word automata. In the further video I am going to tell you about what is finite automata and what are the types of the finite automata.